Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat filters not working. To know how to fix or how to solve not working, Snapchat filters not working, you should just go to settings. Then we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will search about Snapchat and you will enter. Here in this page of app info you will click for stop. When you'll find this page, we click OK. After that, we click Storage. Here in this page, you'll enter to clear cache. And in the end, you can go to Play Store, you will search about Snapchat, and you can update your application. So please, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.